Hi there, Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a kit share video for Kit Conspiracy. This is for our first week in April of 2023. The first kit we chose to use, and this is, in case you're not aware what Kit Conspiracy is, it is a series that MK does over on her channel with me over on my channel. And her channel is Some Assemblage Required. And if you're watching mine, you already know what it is. But each year, we have 2 months out of the year that we do Kit Conspiracy, and each week for that month, we take a different kit and we make as many layouts as we can with it. Basically, we commit to doing 3, and we usually do more. That's how it usually works out. So our first kit for April 2023, the first week, is the Simple Stories Life in Bloom collection. So I'm really excited about this one. It is really floral and really feminine. And surprise, surprise, MK picked it. So it's really beautiful, you guys. So these are the large chipboard pieces. That's what they look like. And as in... they say large, so let me show you about the size of one of the larger ones. So this is one of the larger pieces, and it is roughly 4.5 by 4. So really quite large, but you can layer a lot of things up on this. There's not like, you don't have to use it just by itself. So this is another large one with all these florals. I know it's hard to tell from the back of the packaging what the size is. And then they get smaller from there, you guys. This one is about 3.5 by 3. And the 3.5 is taking into account the leaves that go all the way out. So, some really beautiful things in here. These beautiful flowers with butterflies. So yeah, I can't wait to sink my teeth in and use it, you guys. It's going to be exciting. Lots of cool things. We do switch up manufacturers throughout the month. Maybe not every single week, but we try not to use the same of everything, like all one manufacturer all the way through, to keep it interesting. Sorry about all the crinkling. Hopefully that doesn't bother you. So that is the Life in Bloom chipboard clusters. This is the Bits and Pieces set. It's got a little heart in the way there. So bits and pieces. And here are all the pieces that are in the back. We've got some little stamps. Stamps as in postage stamps. Tickets. Some little banner sayings. Journaling spot. Other little sayings there. Life documented. So pretty. Some butterflies. I don't know, it's just a really pretty, soft. This looks like, geez, film. Oh my gosh. Negatives, like you would put into a projector. I don't know what those are called. Yeah, they go into the projector and you project it up on the wall. So, lots of cool pieces here. I'll just pull out a couple of them, so you can kind of get an idea. This one says So Pretty in that bright orange. Life documented. Here's some of those postage pieces. And these are actually perforated, so you can just pop them apart. That's kind of cool. So I'm super excited to play with this one. I am thinking I'm going to do my daughter's graduation photos with this. High school graduation. We've got the foam stickers, so enjoy the moment today. Hello, happy memories, life is a journey, butterflies, some little hearts, some little typewriter keys. Oh my gosh, why am I having a hard time with words today? So yeah, typewriter keys, which maybe I'll document my typewriter as well. We'll see. Got Soar, Shine Bright, Happy Day, Just Be You. Lots of cool things. Celebrate Life. I like that. And then let's break into the paper and everything else that's in this kit because I got some extras. This is the Collector's Essential Kit. So I think when MK bought hers, she didn't buy it as a kit. She bought the pieces separately, but I think we have all the same things, if I remember correctly. So this is the Simple Vintage Life in Bloom Floral Bits. We've got some pinks and purples, yellows, turquoise, really beautiful pieces, more butterflies. This kit would probably not be right up Sandy's alley because she's not a butterfly fan. And then this piece, this is what they call simple page pieces. So it's all the pieces to make like a double page like this. And you could just copy that if you wanted, but here's all the little bits and pieces. A bunting, a little piece that says adore, camera, more little hearts, captured and beautiful. So I'm super excited about that. The beautiful is really cute. Kind of big, but cute. And you could pair this up with like Beautiful Life. Although there is beautiful here too, so but they're written differently. So kind of cool. And then we got the chipboard. Let's see, chipboard stickers. And it's just single-sided 6x12, again, with beautiful. And today, we're gonna have lots of beautiful in this. Living my best life. That's not a saying that I typically use, but you know, maybe I'll put it on a page. I'm sorry, you can't see that very well because I'm so close. Butterflies, little banner piece, more of the camera. The nice thing about having the pieces in different, let's see here, this guy has the camera in it right here, and then it also is in this chipboard piece, but they're slightly different. So this one's got the butterflies on the right, this one's got it on the left, so that if you want it on one side or the other of your photos, you can kind of pick and choose which way, and this one's got them right up at the top. And then of course the sizes are slightly different too, so don't discount it if it has things that look like, you know, multiples of the same thing. So there, that is the chipboard pieces. I like that. We already looked at this. We didn't open the floral bits. I'm gonna just open it and see what the size of these bits are. So we got some big ones, big purples. We also have some smaller ones, which is good. I like having a variety of size. This pink butterfly, I can totally see MK using that on a layout. And this pink floral bit, yep, I could totally see those being either modified or discarded in a giveaway. We'll see. Maybe she'll use them though, because you never know. So that's what those look like. And then let's take a look at the papers. So we have lots of tickets. This one's called Make Time. These have a lot of Beach Bend Park. I wonder if that's a real place, because there's a whole bunch of them. But yeah, super cool. School. You can do some school stuff. Maybe I'll use that one for school. Ooh, but I like this side too. That's going to be tough. What to do. These butterflies, super cute. And the pink, I will probably use the butterfly side because, I don't know, it's pretty, but even for me, that's a lot of pink. And the circular design kind of makes you a little limited in what you can do with it as far as photos. A rogue little green heart. Let's throw that back in here before it gets lost. Okay, purple florals. I really like these. You could totally cut these apart, fussy cut them. And then pink on this side, pink polka. This one is called Beautiful Things. And the butterfly one was called Dream On, in case you missed, or in case you wanted to know that, because I didn't say. This one's called Happy Memories. It's a floral. Not super crazy about that floral, but I do love this side. This side's really pretty. Lots of text. I like that. Yeah, this side I could take or leave. It looks very retro to me and not my style. I do love this because this would be perfect for my typewriter. I know. What's with documenting the typewriter, right? And this one, it says, is called My Favorite. And I love that. And then a collage paper. So totally awesome for cutting apart. That'll be fun. This one's called Celebrate Life. And then the back side is this green, and I love this one. I think because this one has more yellow in it and no flowers, this one speaks to my soul. If there was such a thing in paper. Colorful butterflies versus the black and white, and more of the typewriter keys. That's kind of cool. Cut apart sheet for tags. Got lots of options on this one. Oh boy, look at that, you guys, double the options. That's like 30 options there because there's 15 on each side. Lots of options with regard to these tags. That's kind of cool. And these are great for journaling because it's already got like the lines on it and everything. And then these are great for decoration. So that's kind of cool. All right, this one is called Journal Elements. Oh, the other one was called Tag Elements. This one's called Journal Elements. So lots of little journaling spots. I really like that. I love this calendar piece. And then if you flip it over, it's the polka dot with the small flowers. This one is called 3x4 Elements. That's kind of cool too, because there's lots of places for journaling on this. A little bit of space there, some space inside here, or you could use it as a frame. You could also just use those as journaling bits. You could cut this piece out and use it as a embellishment element. This one's a diagonal stripe. More of the 3x4 elements, or the back side of the 3x4. I really like the diagonal black and white in there. That looks cool. This one is called 4x4 Elements. Actually, it's called 2x2/4x4 elements because we've got the 4x4s and then all these 2x2s, which is really cool. Slide projector slide. It just came to me. That's what that's called. And then this beautiful blue. I really like this side, and I need some semi-solid. I mean, that's not a solid, but it is tone on tone, so it could be. In my book, it would be considered a solid. 4x6 elements. Live your best life. I love this bunting with, you could put journaling or build up some embellishments. This one's kind of cool because it goes the other direction. This one's kind of cool because you could cut out just this piece if you didn't want all of the extra, and then you could cut these out and tuck them in. So if you don't have all of the embellishments, these papers have a lot of ways to make your own embellishments. Anyway, this one's the 4x6 Elements. So that is it for our first week of Kit Conspiracy, you guys. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, as always, leave them down below. Oh, you guys, I forgot the sticker sheet. Here's the sticker sheet from the collection kit, Collector's Essential Kit. So lots of options, lots of words, some film strip, life in bloom, bunting, all kinds of stuff, one of a kind. That's cute. All right, that is it, you guys. Again, questions or comments, just drop them down below in the comments area, and I will get back to you as quickly as I can. Thanks for watching. Bye.